Welcome to my channel. This is a completely new render of the 2027 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's best-selling model, and since the current fourth generation is about to turn 6 years old, the Korean company has decided that it would be a good idea to discontinue it and replace it with a completely new model. Compared to the current model, the next generation Hyundai Tucson represents a radical change, featuring a much more angular appearance. The front of the body has become somewhat flatter and incorporates complex lighting elements. The main grille is shorter and wider than before, and the lower part has become larger. The company logo has moved from the grille to the hood, which now has a shell shape. The roof has become flatter and slightly lowered towards the rear. The taillights have evolved. The license plate holder has moved to the bumper and is now located on either side of the reflectors, and a plate-like detail has appeared under the rear bumper. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.